So come on, chicken. Yes. 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 Oh yeah. Cool. Okay. Come on, load. Wait, what? Oh yeah, the next level, I think. The lab. You mouse. What do you want, mouse? There's parenting. Your friends are trapped. Come on, I can save the world. I will save your friends. I will save your friends. Come on. Oh no, the idea, an idea. Okay, I have an idea. What is this? Can I go? Oh yeah, I need an idea. Come on. Idea. Okay. Oh yeah. Yes, we're out of here. Come on. I need an idea. Come on. An idea. How do I even get out of here? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. So I go here back again. No, and then I do this. Come on. Yes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I work here. I disguise. Okay. One bone. Oh no. I should have jumped. Can I go back? No. I don't know how to get out of here now. No. Can we start all over? Can you restart? Can you restart? I can get that. Oh look, you can get the plush. Maybe I can get the plush and then show you to you guys how to do it. So I need hope. Yes. I need to restart, guys. I need to restart because I did it wrong. Because I jumped too soon. Don't tell me I have to restart. No. Okay, I'm gonna pause it, guys. I'm gonna pause it and I'm gonna do all of this. Okay, guys, let's go. Be careful. Hut. Okay, I got it. Okay. Let me see it. Let me see the idea. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing. Come on. I don't know. I'm stuck. Yes! I did it somehow. But I did it. First, the bone. Because I'm hungry. If you're hungry, what's going on in here? Oh, holy snap. I have to figure out this myself. Maybe this one? Holy no, I don't know. Wait. And then I do it like this, right? Yes! What's going on? Come on. What's going on? Oh. What's going on? This is like a puzzle. Come on. This is super intense. Yes, we finally did it. What do you connect this? Okay, so you connect that. I don't have no idea. What's going on? Oh no. The plug is here. Yay. So far this game has been super good. Oh my god. Oh my god. I think I'm not gonna make it. Okay. I'm doing it. Okay. No! No! Well, guys, that will wrap it up. So, I hope you liked the video. So, bye! Bye!